Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today it's gonna be a super short video. Sorry for my doggy, she wants a hug. Okay, today, like I told you last week, we're gonna do the same things, but now with the 7 times tables. So super fast, let's review the 7 times tables. If you haven't practiced it, you can either go and watch the video many times, you know how to do this and repeat it. And right now, at least to answer this, when we sing it, you can pause the video and write all the times tables on your whiteboards or on a paper, so you can be able to answer today's work. And later we keep practicing on the multiplication challenge, okay? Sorry, so it goes like this. Ready? Fingers. It says, let's have some fun, and sing along. To 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35, 42 and 49, 56 and 63 and 70. So that's the 7 times tables. And today the only difference that we are learning here is a little review. So you remember that multiplications are a repeated addition. We repeat the same number and add it. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That's why we put the fingers. Times 1 is 7. Times 2 means other 7. 14. Times 3, other 7. Other 7, other 7, other 7, other 7, other 7, other 7, other 7. Okay, so here they are just reviewing that we have 3 here. Okay, so that means 3 times 7. We repeated 7 times. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 times 7, and we write the answer there. That's 21. Okay, then next, they are going to show you that when you see it together, don't just count exactly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then they repeat it. So this is 7, okay? Until here we have 7. Let me write it. I know that's so ugly. Let me write it like this. So we already counted on the top line, we have 7. So I'm gonna put here 7. And then we count. This is an easy way. You have to count the top line that we already did, and that's 7. And then we just count the side line, the vertical. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means all these arrays of squares, it's 7 times 5 on this side. So here it helps you understand that it doesn't matter where you start. You can say 7 times 5, or you can say 5 times 7, okay? And we get the same answer, okay? Why? Because here we have 7, and then they repeated 1, other 7, 2, other 7, 3, other 7, 4, other 7, 5. So do you see that here, yes, we have 5, but you don't have to trace all the lines. If you just count this, you know this is the first square of all the line. That's 1. This is the first square of all the line. 2. The first square of all the line. 3. The first square of all the line. 4. The first square of all the line. 5. That's why we just count this line, the first square, because it's the beginning of the line. Okay, so that's the only difference that I wanted to show you today, because today, look here how they are doing it, exactly what I just explained. These are copies, photos exactly from your math book. Sorry. So it's what I told you, but now they are numbering the top. How many circles do we have on the top? 7. How many circles we have, or the beginning of the line? We have 6. So that means this is 7 times 6, or 6 times 7. Here, don't get scared. The only difference is that here, first, they do the multiplication for the green squares. That means we have 7 at the top, and 5 on the side. That's why here they put 5 times 7. Okay? Then they do it of the complete, 6 times 7. 6 on the side and 7 on the top. 6 times 7. Okay? Now let's do it with real pictures. When you see, boys, when you see a lot of things, when you see a lot of things that are repeated, you don't have to really count all of them and then see how many lines. Just count the first line, but they have to be equal, okay? How many elves do we have at the top? Exactly, we have 5, so that's my first number. Times, how many elves do we have on the side? Exactly, we have 3. So you see, so easy. 5 times 3, and you know the times table's 15. Or you can do the times table of the 3, just turn it around. Times 5 equals 15. Okay? So that's the little thing I wanted to review today, because today you're going to need it for your answer in your book. Even in real life, when you have a calendar, they are going to ask you how many days are in 2 weeks. So all this line is 1 week and it has 7 days. And then you have other week, other 7. So you don't really have to add. If you know that each week is 7 and they are asking you for 2 weeks, so this is 7 and 7. That's 7 times 2. So to answer this first one is 7 times 2, because each week has 7 days. Okay? So they are asking you how many days are in 2 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks. So it's 7 days, 7 days. Then they ask you in 4 weeks. 4. But you know each week has 7, 7, 7, 7. So it's 7 times 4. And then in 10 weeks, that means 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 in 10 weeks. That's why I wanted to make this short video, so you can answer this and then just practice the 7 times tables. That means watch the video many times and then you can answer this. Okay, boys? So you can do it. Okay, remember, growth mindset. Growth mindset. Never say I cannot do it. Maybe say I cannot do it yet. Yet means until now, maybe I cannot, but I'm going to practice, and yes, I can. Yes, I can. You can do it. Remember, it's a challenge, and yes, you can do it. Good luck, boys. See you in the classroom.